Hi, welcome to MKA Coding YouTube channel. In this video I will teach you how to make text split function in Excel VBA. But before making this function, I will show you how this function work. So the function name is TEXTSPLITS. Press Ctrl Shift and A, this will show you all the arguments in the function. We have two arguments, text and delimiter. Our delimiter will be comma. When I click enter, you can see it split the text and place them in separate cells. First, we have to enable the Developer tab. Click anywhere on the ribbon, and click on the Customize the ribbon. Make sure to check the Developer tab, and click OK. Also you can use shortcut key, Alt plus F11, this will also open the Visual Basic Editor. After enable the Developer tab, click on the Developer tab and click on the Visual Basic, this will open the Visual Basic Editor. Now right-click here, Insert, and insert the module. Type here public function and then your function name. We have to pass two arguments, first is text and second is delimiter. And output will be as variant. Here I use split function of VBA, which split the data by the delimiter. And return as an array, we have to store this array in result array variable. Now assign this array into the TEXTSPLITS function. Now if you want to store this function in this module, then follow my method. I will change the module name to custom function. Right-click on your module and click on Export File, save this module in your desired location. Now if you want to use this function in other workbook, then follow this method. First I will remove this module, because I already saved, then right-click here, click on Import File, and choose your file which you have already saved. So this is for today. Please make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. In the future we will upload more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching, have a nice day.